Getting stuck in traffic jams in metropolitan cities kills a lot of time and energy for daily commuters. According to TomTom Traffic Index, Mumbai, Bengaluru and Delhi were ranked 5th, 10th and 11th among the most congested cities in the world in 2021. Collectively, these cities have lost around 341 hours per year. That's a lot of time, right? Well, the drones can save this time and energy, as sustainable drones are the next big thing for the Indian mobility sector. In the coming 2 to 3 years, India could be flying in drone taxis. Yes, you heard that right. We are talking about a Bengaluru-based drone startup, the ePlane company that showcased a prototype of India's first electric air taxi in Drone Festival of India 2022 this year.
This is an eVTOL electric air taxi. So eVTOL is basically electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft. By that I mean it's a hybrid aircraft. So it takes off and lands like a helicopter and it flies horizontally like an aircraft. This is the most compact eVTOL in the world. It's a 5 meter by 5 meter, and by compact I mean that it literally needs the space equivalent to 2 cars for parking. And it can take off and land even from the rooftop of any building, as compared to any other eVTOLs which are manufactured all around the world, which need a proper infrastructure to do so.
So how is this air taxi is different from what Ola and Uber are saying that they are going to offer?
So we are most compact eVTOL, and we will be able to take off and land literally from the rooftop of any building.
Are you done with the certification and the process where the government comes into play?
We've already started working towards certification, and typically the aircraft certification is a 2 to 3 year process. So since we've already started it will take that much amount of time, and after that is when we aim to go and have our commercial operations for the air taxi.
So are you going to be in a partnership with any ride-hailing company, or you're going to launch your ride-hailing the platform?
That is something that we have not decided right now. It can be that we just tie up with a service provider and they do the service for us, whereas we be the manufacturer, or whether we will also be the operator. The commercial ops, how they're going to be panned out, is something that we have not planned till now.
Okay. So when is India going to fly in this drone air taxi?
Well, we are coming up with our first prototype by end of September, and the regulator has to go through its own process of seeing that the aircraft is safe to fly, which I said is the aircraft certification, and we are also putting in all our effort to get the first the best prototype out for that. So once we are done with the aircraft certification, then yes, so I'm assuming this to be at least 2 to 3 years till we get it out as commercial operations.
Also, when we talk about the Atmanirbhar Bharat and indigenous manufacturing of drones, especially as India has banned the import of drones recently,
Right.
how indigenous this project is?
See, we currently don't have a lot of manufacturers for drone parts in India. So even today, a lot of drone operators or drone manufacturers, they are importing parts. You're not allowed to import the complete drone, but you're still allowed to import drone parts. Reason being that we don't have any manufacturers. As and when more and more manufacturers come up within the country, which they are, things will only get better and cheaper for everybody.
While India aims to become a drone hub by 2030, its unmanned aerial vehicles AUV industry is flying high, with revenue expected to reach Rs 15,000 crores by 2026. Let us see where this drone flight will take India with the new drone rules 2021. For more updates on Indian SMEs and the biz world, keep watching the Guild TV.